Moving on to level 2, I'm gonna try to keep everything tight and remove the other leg off the floor. So everything stays the same as level 1. So here, belly button facing that way, there, head, okay. This leg is bent, this leg is out. Okay, that's level 1. Now my next thing is I correct my head, see if it's balanced enough, and I'm gonna quickly try to get my weight off. Yeah, that's easy. Next step is to hold. Okay, come back, foot down, push yourself out, and same thing on the other side. Okay, build up that strength as you're going. You're gonna notice that your wrist, even that everything else is strong, your wrist might not be strong. It's a tiny muscle compared to everything else. Respect that, do a few seconds. When you start to hurt, don't push it. Go to the other side, do a few rounds and stop. Yeah, if you're training together, I will tell you exactly how many you should do and then we go from there. Moving on.